Remember October 19th, 1987, Black Monday, the day the stock market went into a freefall. While everyone else was panicking, one trader, a 32-year-old phenom at Bankers Trust named Andrew Krieger, spotted an opportunity. See, Krieger wasn't just any trader. He was known for his aggressive style, and his bosses trusted him so much they gave him a trading limit of $700 million. After the crash, investors rushed out of the US dollar, causing other currencies to spike. Many became seriously overvalued. Krieger, with his sharp eye, noticed one in particular, the New Zealand dollar, nicknamed the Kiwi. He saw it was fundamentally weak and a perfect target for a short sale. So, what did he do? He used his massive $700 million limit, but he didn't stop there. He applied an insane leverage of 400 to 1. This allowed him to build a short position so enormous it was said to be larger than New Zealand's entire money supply. Think about that for a second. One trader controlled more Kiwi dollars than the country of New Zealand itself. The result was immediate and brutal. The Kiwi's value collapsed, dropping 5% in just a few hours. The move sent shockwaves through New Zealand's central bank. They were stunned to find out a single person had essentially cornered their currency. And for Andrew Krieger and Bankers Trust, a cool $300 million profit. It remains one of the most audacious and legendary trades in financial history. This story shows just how wild the markets can be and how one person's conviction can shake an entire nation's economy. If you found this fascinating, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible stories from the world of finance. Thanks for watching.